Southwest train service to Poole. Calling at Southampton
So the
Airport
train now
Parkway,
approaching platform 2
Southampton
is the
Central,
1500
Tottenham,
hours
Ashurst, New Forest,
Southwest Trains
Brockenhurst,
service
Sway,
from
New
London
Milton,
Waterloo
Hinton
to
Admiral,
Poole.
Christchurch, Kirkstone for Boscombe, Bournemouth, Branksome,
Trying to talk over
Parkstone
Celia
and
Drummond
Poole.
here.
Mind the
Speaker
gap between
there
the
somewhere.
train and the platform. Mind the gap.
4:51:01.
Platform 2 for the 1500 hours Southwest train service to Poole.
Speaker's
Calling
actually
at Southampton Airport
up
Parkway,
there.
Southampton
It's
Central,
a Penton.
Tottenham, Ashurst, New Forest, Brockenhurst, Sway, New Milton, Hinton Admiral, Christchurch, Kirkstone for Boscombe, Bournemouth, Branksome, Parkstone and Poole. This train is formed of
Excuse me.
4 coaches.
One of the many London Waterloo to Poole services that's actually operated by a 450 instead of a 444. Never, very rarely happens on the Weymouth one. But to be honest, I've never really seen it in real life. I mean, I think I've seen it a couple of times, but I can't. Well, okay, whatever. Train. Okay, the train now passing down the one of the fast lines is your either Newcastle or Edinburgh Waverley to Southampton Central service. I don't know the head code, I'm afraid. Should be a 220 Voyager. There it comes. And it's 2:20:11. Train now approaching platform 1 is 2 Bravo 52, the 1514 Southwest Trains service from Poole to London Waterloo, and we've got 444-001 right at the bottom of the numbering scheme now. It's actually currently 15:05, so this one sits there for quite some time. We've just trained on a lot actually. This one. Also does it at Southampton Central and Brockenhurst. That fast train go by. Don't really know why, but it just does. Oh well. So we're currently awaiting the 2 Whiskey 62 Southwest train service from Weymouth to London Waterloo. Come down the up fast track here at Eastleigh. Time is currently 15:10, so it should be any moment. Oh, I can hit in the tracks. Oh no, that's the this is 2 Whiskey 69 Southwest train service from London Waterloo to Weymouth. Well, actually, I'm not sure now. Actually, that one might be 2 Whiskey 62. Well, that one might be 2 Whiskey 69. I'm confused now. It's one or the other. It's one of them. And that's 444-017, and there should be another one passing then. Yeah, I think that one's possibly 2 Whiskey 62. I got them mixed up there. Yeah. So the other one's 2 Whiskey 69. Possibly. Unless that one's delayed and oh, plane. Plane off from Southampton Airport above the buildings ahead there, including the shopping centre. Right, I believe this is. Earlier I thought this was 2 Whiskey 62. I believe this is actually 2 Whiskey 69, but I can't confirm that. But I think it is 2 Whiskey 69. Southwest train service from Weymouth to London Waterloo, and it's 444-012. Another name, but I couldn't see it sadly. The funky play bus, which is the northern counties there. Which is really fun. It's got a play area on the upper deck of that. Not a clue what's on the bottom deck. Over here in Eastleigh Yard is a Class 66 pushing this bed here with some sort of equipment on it. I haven't a clue what it is. It's English, Welsh and Scottish. Let's say that again. That's English, Welsh and Scottish freight loco, and it's 66148. Powering away there. Got a mixture of Colas rail freight 66s and 70s over there, as in course Class 66s and Class 70s over there. All Colas rail freights coupled together. A couple of Great British Rail Freight Class 66s too over there. One of them's named being 66741. I'm beginning to run low on memory. I've still got plenty, but my phone's warning me. 23 minutes and 10 seconds. Less than that now, actually. Left on there, that is.
Southwest trains service to Salisbury will now depart from platform 2, calling at Southampton Airport Parkway, Swaithling, St Denis, Southampton Central, Millbrook, Redbridge, Romsey, Mottisfont and Dunbridge, Dean and Salisbury. This train is formed of 2 coaches. Attention please. This is a platform alteration. The 1521 Southwest trains service to Salisbury will now depart from platform 2, calling at Southampton Airport Parkway, Swaithling, St Denis, Southampton Central, Millbrook, Redbridge, Romsey,
He actually was going to depart from platform 3 for a change, but now I put it back onto platform 2. Unless that's normal for this particular one to part from that platform, I don't actually know. That's the first time I've heard that this version of Senior Drummond's announcements with the platform alteration announcement then. First time I've heard that. This unit actually came here on 158887 from Southampton Central. Up and on the 1526 South West train service from London Waterloo to Portsmouth Harbour. Okay, so this is the 1521 South West train service from Romsey to Salisbury via Southampton Central. 158887. And the rear dot matrix is failed there on the rear cab. There's an XL bus over there, and by 200, little mini one.